We've got Samsung Galaxy S20, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick General Management, and then go to date and time. So here you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off. And now you can select time zone manually, so at first obviously you have to pick the region, and then time zone if available, and then you can change the date and also time, and the time is here. And that's it. So this is how you can manually set up date and time in your device and also customize your time zone. And finally you can change the format of your clock. So if you would like to switch 24-hour format clock to 12-hour format clock, just tap on the switcher. And actually this is it. This is how you can change the date and time in your device. And whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers, and now you will be back and the date and time set up automatically. So that would be all. This is how you can set up date and time in your Samsung Galaxy S20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.